Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can craft a fit feature this stunning femme fatale inspired look in a dress to impress. So let's just get started. So to start, I'm going to go with the hairstyle. First, I'm going to put on this updo hair, this one, and toggle it into no bangs. Change the color into this dark brown color and then combine it with this updo and toggle it into only bangs and use the same color. And last one, you can go to the curly hair category and put on this hair, toggle it into bangs only. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start creating the outfit. First, I'm going to put on this dress in the women's sections, the one at the top in here, and change all of the color into black. Then I'm going to also combine it with this corset in here and change all of the color again into black, including the details. Then I'm going to go to the Valentine's update in here and put on this jacket and just leave the color as it is. I think I'm going to change the belt color, all of it, into black. And as for the shoe, I'm going to grab this heels and change all of the color into black. And I'm going to grab this stockings in here. Now let's just add the accessory. First, I'm going to grab this purse, and for the jewelry, I'm going to wear this necklace. Change the color into these colors in here. So this is the hex code. And then I'm going to also put on this necklace with the same color. Last one, I'm going to put on this earrings. And that's it. So this is the final look for the femme fatale. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.